Hello everybody, it's Pops here, leaving Master Lock. Get a little shot of the snow here. We got a serious blizzard on our hands. It's pretty hard to see. Snow's about a foot deep. I don't know if you can see the flags or not. Anyway, Sea Dragon's about to get on the way. Yeah, I love you guys. Here from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Wow, this is beautiful. Anyway, if you could see down here, got the old silver bear. There's a street light. Can hardly see that. Yeah, we're heading down here to the silver bear.